Hello my stunning nailies, Nicole here from Nikki's Delicious Nails. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to apply a full cover tip with the solid gel glue from the TNA. So here I'm just going in and buffing off the previous product. I have it on my nails, obviously cut my nails down, etc. Then you'll take a small amount of the solid gel and apply it in the tip. Well, patting it down into that well from sidewall to sidewall. I then go in and apply a thin, even coat of the TNA hard gel. Now this is going to protect your natural nail and also help with adhesion. So you will then apply that full cover tip from cuticle to free edge, wiping away the excess. And it is super easy just to wipe away with your finger. You don't need to use gel wipe, you don't need to use acetone. It's just super easy. Once that nail has been stuck on, it's not going to move. So you can do all 5 fingers and then put it in the LED lamp. So you don't have to go and do one nail, cure, do another nail, cure. This is going to save you time. It is going to save you money. Okay. So here I'm just showing you, I've already pushed back my cuticles, but just for the video's purpose, I show you. And then I go in and I apply the TNA hard gel from the nail art. Just a thin, even coat from cuticle to free edge. Mind the skin. It's not a bother if you do get it on the skin, just wipe it away. And then again, I take a small amount of the solid gel and apply it into that full cover tip, into the well of that full cover tip. And I pat it down here, as you can see, from sidewall to sidewall. And then I press it onto the nail from cuticle to free edge firmly. Any excess I just wipe away. As you can see, I'm just using a dotting tool to go underneath the nail to remove it. It's super easy to remove and it's not tacky or sticky. So that's the wonderful thing as well. You can do all 5 fingers. So the soft gel tips are also from the nail art. These are the medium almond shape. They are 550 pieces in a box. Best Buy, absolute best buy. And you can also buy that from the nail art. Love the shape. Okay, so once you've got those on, it's not going to go anywhere. Like I said, you can do all 5 fingers and then cure. And then I cure for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. So, guys, I must tell you, I absolutely love this product. It's just so easy. Now the Arosa Shell Powder Top Coat. Let's just give this a minute. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It really gives that shell chrome effect, and it's in a gel bottle, and on top of it, it's a top coat. So you don't have to go in and put another top coat over it. Again, it's going to save you time. It's going to save you money. So yeah, and these tips have got a beautiful arch in them already, so beautiful. And then I just go in with the rose cuticle oil from the nail art as well. You can buy all these products from the nail art, and it smells divine. And this is the end or the finished job.